Hi everyone. Today's video is about Manipal Cigna Health Insurance Limited, formerly known as Cigna TTK Health Insurance Company Limited. It is a joint venture between the Manipal Group, a healthcare and higher education group in India. So before giving the details of this plan, I will give you a brief introduction about this company. Cigna Corporation is a global health services company. This company's presence is in 30 plus countries and serving 160 million plus customers around the world. Now I will give you the details of this plan, but before that, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon. I am your health consultant Kajal. Friends, Manipal Cigna TTK Health Insurance Pro Health Plan is available to you in 5 variants, that are Protect, Plus, Preferred, Premier and Accumulate. And in this plan, I will also tell you about the similarities and differences between these variants, but before that, I will talk about some basic covers of this plan. If we talk about age limit in this plan, then there is no maximum entry age limit to buy Manipal Cigna Health Insurance Plan. A child aged 91 days onwards can be covered under this policy, and for an adult, the minimum entry age is 18 years and beyond 23 years can be covered under an individual policy. Now comes the inpatient hospitalization. It means if you are admitted to a hospital and for more than 24 hours of illness or any injury, then this plan will also take care of the room charges, ICU charges, nursing charges, doctor's fees, surgeon fees, operation theatre charges and other medical expenses. Pre-hospitalization is also covered in this plan. It means you may get some expenses before you are hospitalized, like doctor's fees, pharmacies related expenses or diagnostic tests. All such costs will be covered in this plan for up to 60 days. Post-hospitalization is also covered in this plan. It means after you get home from the hospital, there are still many expenses to be taken care of, like doctor's consultation fees, diagnostic tests and some other pharmacy related costs. This plan also covers such expenses related to your hospitalization up to 90 to 180 days after your discharge from the hospital. This plan also pay for your day care medical expenses. It means if you are undergoing a treatment that needs less than 24 hours of hospitalization, so this plan also covers 500 plus listed day care procedures. Domiciliary treatment is also covered in this plan. It means medical treatment taken at home is also covered in case your condition is not suitable for hospital transfer, or if there is no bed available in the hospital, then this plan will cover all those domiciliary expenses up to sum insured. This plan also gives you an ambulance cover because we all know that medical emergencies can happen anytime. So it covers all such expenses incurred for transportation by an ambulance service provider to the hospital for treatment, and here the coverage limit shall depend upon the plan taken by you. This plan also covers inpatient hospitalization, cost of the donor for a major organ transplant. Worldwide emergency is also covered in this plan. As we all know, emergencies will not necessarily hit you when you are in India. This plan will also cover inpatient medical expenses for emergency treatment outside the country for full sum insured on reimbursement basis once in a policy year. Restoration of sum insured is also covered. Suppose you have claimed for an illness and God forbid there could be multiple unrelated illness or injuries that requires you to get hospitalized. This plan restores the sum insured to the number of times under the policy to additional 100% in a policy year. And if the balance sum insured and cumulative bonus, if any, isn't insufficient to settle a claim, then this plan will restore the base sum insured amount too. Ayush treatment is also covered in this plan. This plan covers inpatient medical expenses up to the limit of sum insured of non-allopathic treatments such as Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Now I will talk about the differences between the variants of this plan: Protect, Plus, Preferred, Premier and Accumulate. If you talk about the base sum insured, then you can take base sum insured starting from rupees 2.5 lakh to 50 lakh in Protect plan, rupees 4.5 lakh to rupees 50 lakh in Plus plan, rupees 15 lakh to rupees 50 lakh in Preferred plan, rupees 1 crore in Premier plan, rupees 5.5 lakh to rupees 50 lakh in Accumulate plan. Now comes the post hospitalization. In Protect or Accumulate variant, it is available to you up to 90 days, and in Plus, Preferred and Premier plan, it is available up to 180 days. This plan also provides you an ambulance cover. As we all know that medical emergencies can happen anytime, so it covers all such transportation expenses, but ambulance charges are different in all the variants. Like in Protect plan, it is up to rupees 2000 per event. In Plus, it is up to rupees 3000 per event. In Preferred and in Premier plan, it costs actual expenses per event. And in Accumulate plan, it costs up to rupees 2000 per event. This plan provides you a benefit of health maintenance. No matter how small an illness is, it still needs an attention. That's why this plan also covers the cost of doctor's fees, diagnostic tests, drugs, dental treatments and alternative medicines up to the reimbursement limit under each plan. Like in Protect plan, it is up to rupees 500, in Plus plan, it is up to rupees 2000, and in Preferred and Premier plan, it is up to rupees 15,000, and in Accumulate plan, it is rupees 5,000 to rupees 20,000. Now comes the maternity expenses. This plan will cover expenses for the delivery or medically necessary termination of pregnancy, maximum up to 2 events. In Plus plan, normal delivery is covered up to rupees 15,000 and cesarean is covered up to rupees 25,000 per event. In Preferred plan, normal delivery is covered up to rupees 50,000 and cesarean is covered up to rupees 1 lakh per event. In Premier plan, normal delivery is covered up to rupees 1 lakh and in cesarean it is covered up to rupees 2 lakhs per event. Protect and Accumulate plan does not cover any expenses related to maternity, and this plan covers newborn baby within maternity expenses. Now I will talk about value added covers of this plan. First comes the health checkup. Most of us take our health for granted. Now no more, as this plan provides a health checkup facility at network providers for insured age above 18 years. In Protect or Accumulate plan, it is available once every third policy year, and in Plus, Preferred or Premier plan, it is available each policy year excluding the first year. Expert opinion on critical illness is available once during the policy year in all the variants. This plan also provides you a benefit of cumulative bonus, maximum up to 200% of sum insured. It means a guaranteed additional sum insured as bonus under all the plans at the time of renewal. Cigna wants you to stay healthy always. In this plan, you can earn reward points equal to 1% of premium paid by opting for their wellness programs. Now I will talk about the optional covers in this plan. This plan provides you an option to select a deductible as per the plan. This means that from your claims, if there should be any arising, you have to pay the deductible amount either out from your own pocket or your any existing health insurance policy. Now understand it with an example. If your sum insured is of rupees 5 lakh in your policy and you have opted for 50,000 deductible option, in case you get a claim of rupees 1 lakh, then you need to pay that 50,000 from your own pocket. In Protect and Plus plan, deductible option is starting from rupees 1 lakh to 10 lakhs. In Accumulate plan, it is up to rupees 50,000 to 10 lakhs. Hospital daily cash option is also provided to you in this plan for continuous and completed 24 hours of hospitalization. In Plus and Accumulate plan, it is of rupees 1,000. In Preferred and Premier, it is rupees 2,000, and in Protect plan, it is rupees 3,000. Option of reduction in maternity waiting is also available. It means you have the option to reduce the maternity waiting period from 48 to 24 months. You also have the option to remove the mandatory copay applicable for person aged 65 years and above. Another option is also available to increase policy sum insured with 25% cumulative bonus every year. Maximum accumulation is up to 200% of the sum insured. This bonus is not provided in Accumulate variant. Voluntary copay option is also available. It means that you choose to pay the first 10% or 20% of the claim, but it is not available in Preferred and Premier variant. Few discounts are also there for you in this plan. Copay discount of 7.5% for opting 10% copay and 15% discount for opting a 20% copay. Renewals will be available for lifetime. Free look period of 15 days to cancel the policy with full refund is also there. Income tax deduction available under section 80D. Now you guys want to ask me that why Manipal Cigna, why not other health insurance company? Now I will tell you why. Because Manipal Cigna provides you a worldwide emergency cover. Here, medical emergencies does not need to recognize locations. This company also covers medical expenses incurred during the policy. Emergency treatments for an illness or injury contracted outside of India are covered too. You also get the wide payment options in this company, as this company supports debit cards, credit cards, net banking, UPI and wallets. And this company is also awarded the Best Health Insurance Company 2019. Manipal Cigna has been awarded as the Best Health Insurance Company of this year at the India Insurance Summit and Awards 2019. Friends, this was a bit information about Manipal Cigna Pro Health Plan.